Hi, boys and girls. I hope you're learning so much about science and about trees. Last week we learned the parts of the tree, and this week we're going to learn about living and non-living things. Are you ready? Let's get ready to learn what are living and non-living things. Boys and girls, we're going to learn about what makes a thing a living thing. So first, all living things need food and water to survive. All living things need air to breathe. We breathe air, animals breathe air, and even trees breathe air through oxygen. All living things also reproduce. So when living things reproduce, that means they make more of the same kind. For example, here we have a cat who had baby kittens, so she made more of her kind. Here we have some birds who made other little baby birds to make their own kind. Trees also reproduce from the seeds that they leave to create another tree. Also, all living things, like me and you, grow. Remember when you were first this little and now you're a big kindergartner? Trees also, you see them first, you're a seed, and then you grow like we learned last week. So all living things always grow. Boys and girls, now let's look at things that are non-living. So non-living things do not need food. For example, the fan, it doesn't need food to work. The ball doesn't need any food. And the couch doesn't need any food. So they are non-living. Also, non-living things do not need air to breathe. They're fine just the way they are. This fan gives out air, but it doesn't need air to breathe or to work because it doesn't have any lungs. The ball might need air just to be a ball, but it doesn't need it to breathe because it doesn't have lungs. And this couch does not need air for us to sit down on the couch. Another thing is that non-living things do not grow. This fan will not grow. It stays the same. This ball will not grow like me and you. It stays the same. And this couch will not grow. Therefore, all of these three items are non-living things. Boys and girls, we're going to explore my neighborhood with Mr. Monkey to find things that are living and non-living. Come join us. Mr. Monkey wants to know if this dog is living or non-living. What do you think? Mr. Monkey is wondering, is this fence living or non-living? Squirrel living or non-living? Mr. Monkey likes to lay by flowers. Are these flowers living or non-living? When Mr. Monkey is hungry, he likes to eat bananas. Are bananas living or non-living? After school, Mr. Monkey likes to play with his friend Hannah. Is Hannah living or non-living? Boys and girls, we're so proud of all the work you've done so far in having your brains grow as scientists. You learned so much today about things that are living and non-living. So now you're going to get to share what you learned with your science experiment. So take out your experiment, scientists, and get ready to share with your teachers right now. Did you notice if your leaf was living or non-living? How did you know that? Does your leaf breathe? Let's share this right now in class, scientists, all that you observed. See you next week, scientists, and have a great day.